When you're the only network, Wi-Fi provides a signal to everyone. But if you're in an office building, apartment, or anywhere else with multiple competing networks, see that little blue signal struggling to make it through? That's our Wi-Fi network. Let's look at the same situation if we were using terrafermaLiFi instead. This is our single LiFi network, and if we were to move into an office building or apartment, there is no change to our connection because even if everyone else is using LiFi in your building, the light doesn't pass through walls or interfere with other networks. Not only does this make LiFi more reliable, but it keeps things secure when the only people that can see your network are the people in your office or apartment.
Using LiFi, let's follow the journey information takes to get to your computer, starting at the router, over here. Data travels from the internet into your router. The router sends that data via wire to the access point. The access point then transmits this data to a private user within the infrared cone. The private user is determined by an infrared dongle. The dongle communicates with the access point and serves as the wireless connection to your computer. If you want more coverage in a room, adding another antenna will create a second, steerable cone of infrared light.
Let's ignore all other interference and focus on just our own network. Wi-Fi works great when you're the only one on the network, but when you have a dozen employees hogging all the bandwidth, everyone sputters out. LiFi avoids this problem. You can put a Wi-Fi access point in every room in your building. Only the people in this room have access to your network.
With 802.1x authentication, a teacher can have access to sensitive information that students would not. This ensures that sensitive information about students' grades or personal lives won't get in the wrong hands. Faculty could have their dongles on keychains, ensuring that nobody but them has access to sensitive data. LiFi works beautifully in a learning environment. Instead of hundreds and even thousands of students accessing the same network, each classroom can have its own access point. Not only does this mean that there will be no interference, but the students also won't be bogging down the network. The only waiting these students are going to be doing is for the bell to ring.